Once upon a time, in a beautiful green meadow filled with colorful flowers, there lived a little bunny named Bonnie. Bonnie loved carrots more than anything in the world. Every morning, she hopped through the meadow, searching for the biggest, crunchiest, and most delicious carrots she could find. Whenever she found one, she carefully carried it back to her little wooden shed. Day after day, Bonnie collected more and more carrots. Soon, her shed was full. There were carrots on the shelves, carrots in baskets, and even carrots stacked in little piles on the floor. One sunny afternoon, Bonnie's friend Oliver the rabbit stopped by. "Hello, Bonnie," he said cheerfully. "I forgot my lunch today. Could I please have one carrot?" Bonnie quickly shook her head. "No, these are my carrots," she replied. Oliver looked disappointed, but he politely thanked her and hopped away. The next day, a little squirrel named Sammy came to visit. "I am very hungry," said Sammy. "May I have just one carrot?" Again, Bonnie said no. "I'm saving them for myself." Sammy sighed and walked home. As the days passed, Bonnie continued collecting carrots. But something strange began to happen. Her friends stopped visiting. The meadow felt quieter than before. Bonnie didn't understand why. Then one evening, dark clouds filled the sky. The wind began to blow. Soon a powerful storm swept across the meadow. Rain poured from the sky all night long. When Bonnie woke up the next morning, she rushed outside. Her heart sank. The storm had damaged her shed. The door was open, and all of her carrots had been washed away. Not a single one remained. Bonnie sat on the grass and began to cry. "What will I do now?" she whispered. Just then, she heard a familiar voice. "Bonnie." It was Oliver. Behind him stood Sammy and several other friends. Oliver carried a carrot. Sammy carried two more. The others carried baskets filled with food. "We heard what happened," said Oliver kindly, "so we came to help." Bonnie looked at her friends in surprise. "But after the way I treated you," Sammy smiled. Friends help each other. One by one, the animals shared what they had brought. Soon, Bonnie had enough food for many days. But something even better happened. She felt happy, happier than she had ever felt, while keeping all the carrots for herself. That afternoon, Bonnie shared lunch with all her friends. They laughed together, played together, and enjoyed the beautiful sunny day. From that moment on, Bonnie never kept everything to herself. Whenever she found a delicious carrot, she shared it with others. And she discovered that sharing doesn't make what you have smaller. It makes your friendships bigger. The end.